how to create GitHub account. It's too much easy and simple to create GitHub account. So GitHub is one of the amazing platform. If you are a programmer, you can get various type of the code and you can store your own projects also here. Okay, so you can create different type of the repository and different type of things in the GitHub. Okay, so today we are going to create a fresh new GitHub account. So without any delay, let's start. Okay guys, so now you can see here it is telling me that accelerate high quality software development. Our AI powered platform drive innovation with tools that push developer velocity. Okay, so it is providing us the GitHub Copilot also, and it is giving us the GitHub action, different type of the things available inside the GitHub. So that's why maybe you are also trying to create GitHub account. So without any delay, let's start. Okay, so first of all, you have to come in the github.com. Then after that, you have to click in the sign up. Okay, so after that, so now you can see it is asking me my email. Okay, so that's why I am just giving my email here. So okay, so after that you have to click in the continue. It is asking me to create a password, so I am just giving my password here. Okay, then after that you have to click in the continue. Okay, so when you are putting the password, be sure your password is strong, otherwise it will be too much problem to create GitHub account. So I am just clicking the continue. So it is asking me to give a username, so I am just giving okay. So now you can see it is telling me that the pastry NP is available, and I am just clicking the continue. Okay, so now it is telling me that would you like to receive product updates and announcement. If you want to get that announcement, you can type Y, otherwise you can type N. So I am just pressing N because I don't want any updates and announcement from GitHub. So click in the continue. So it is telling me that you verify your account. Okay, so I have to click in the start puzzle, and it is telling me that pick one squares that shows two identical objects. Okay, so I have to choose two identical objects here. Okay, so now I'm going to solve this captcha. Okay, so now you can see here it is telling me that pick one square that shows two identical objects. So I think there is this one is the identical objects. Okay, so here is also identical objects. Okay, so now you can see it is give me a tick mark here, and now you have to click in the create account to create GitHub account. So now you can see it is asking me to put a verification code here. So I'm going inside my email. Okay guys, so now you can see GitHub send me a verification email here. Okay, so I'm just coming inside my email and I'm going to verify my email here. Okay, so now you can see here it is to complete the GitHub sign up, we need to just verify email address. So I am just clicking here. Okay, so now you can see here it is telling me that okay, so now you can see it is telling me your email was verified. Okay, so if I come here in the, so now if I click here, so now you can see my GitHub account is created successfully, and I can easily create a different type of the repository here. Okay, so if I sign out here, okay, so now you can see I'm just clicking the sign out, and I'm clicking in the sign in. So now it is asking me to put my username. So okay, and just you have to put your password here, and I'm just clicking the sign in. Okay, so now you can see my GitHub account is created. So in this way you can easily sign up in the GitHub, and you can create your first new GitHub account. Thank you so much.